Hi, Gary Guth here with bagpipelessons.net. I hope you enjoyed my American set, my 4th of July medley. All of those tunes are available in sheet music form, PDFs, along with practice chanter audio, MP3s, for $5 each. If you bought each one of them separately, you would pay $5 each. That's about $45. However, you can also buy the set, all 9 tunes, in a package for only $15. However, the best value overall is just to buy my book, Bagpipes for Beginners, in digital format, which is only $30, which has all of those tunes plus scores of many more. If you like this video, please like below and subscribe to my list. And if you're interested in any of those purchasing options, there's a link below that you can use to make your selections and check out. If you have any questions, please feel free and email me. I teach bagpipes for beginners and intermediates all over the world via Skype and Google Hangouts. I also play gigs here in the Philadelphia region, weddings, funerals, and parties, and I sell bagpipes and equipments as well. So I hope you have a great 4th of July, and if there's anything I can do for you, please feel free to email me or give me a call. Have a great 4th of July.